Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So in this video, I'm going to go through 3 simple apps that's going to help you start to earn anywhere from $65 all the way up to even a couple $100 just by creating some tasks and doing some tasks online. You can use your smartphone. So anywhere you're at, you can create income for yourself. Now, before we do that though, hit that subscribe button below. Also hit the bell. That way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. So in this channel, I like to make sure that you guys get all of the great ways to earn income online. Now you got to remember though, these the things that I'm going to show you are you're trading time for money. So it's just like having a job. Now it's going to give you some little money. It's going to kind of help you make some extra money. So let's jump right into a couple of these websites. Okay, so these are a couple of apps that you can use for your smartphone. So the first one is going to be Opinion Outpost. Okay, so they're going to pay you. They're going to pay you in both rewards and in PayPal Cash. Okay, so if we look down here, you see that you can get paid in Amazon. You can get paid in iTunes. You can also get paid in PayPal. The cool thing about PayPal is you can take that PayPal money and you can transfer it to your bank account. You can also get a debit Visa card with PayPal, so you can use that anywhere in the world that obviously MasterCard, Visa, all those credit cards take, so you can use that. So all you're going to do is you're going to register, you're going to log in, and you're just going to be doing survey work online. Okay, remember, it's just you're trading time for money, so you have to go in and trade your time, fill out the surveys, do what they ask you to do, and then you're going to get paid on that. Okay, so Opinion Outpost is going to be the first one here. And you can do this all from your social media. Now the next one is going to be Harris Poll Online. Okay, so Harris Poll Online, what they're going to do is it's going to be mobile polls online that you're going to be able to use your mobile phone. And when you go through this and you do the polls online and you go through the surveys, they're going to pay you in rewards. So they're going to give you Amazon rewards, iTunes, and Starbucks are going to be some of the brands that they use. Cool thing about Amazon is you can take that Amazon rewards and you can go buy stuff on the Amazon marketplace. Okay, so Harris Poll Online is going to be another good one. Again, you're trading time for money, so you have to go in and trade your time. As soon as you do what they ask you to do, then you'll be able to earn your rewards for that. And the next one is going to be Quick Thoughts. Okay, Quick Thoughts is an app that you can actually find in the App Store. You go to Quick Thoughts and you can earn rewards. So you can go online to the App Store and you'll be able to download this to your iPhone, your iOS device, and you'll be able to start to have surveys online. So with all the other ones are going to be mostly web-based app. This one right here is actually going to be a physical app that's going to be put onto your phone. So Quick Thoughts is going to allow you to get surveys. It's going to allow you to take surveys, help them. It's going to help these companies and help businesses find out more about their products and services and what you like and don't like. As soon as you take those surveys, you're going to earn rewards. You're going to get paid for that. Okay, and they're going to pay you out in rewards. You can take those rewards. You can turn them into PayPal. You can turn them into Amazon. You can do whatever you want with those, but you're going to be able to make good money with these online apps. So again, you're going to have the first one is going to be Opinion Outpost. The next one is going to be Harris Poll Online, and the last one is going to be Quick Thoughts. Okay, so these are 3 apps that you could use to earn money online. Hey, if you like this video, like it with your friends, share it with your friends. Also, comment below. Let me know how I can help your business online. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the inside.